Alrighty, guys, thanks for tuning in again today. And I just wanted to do a quick progress update on the ZR1 rebuild. It's kind of hard to film while we're working on it, so there's just a lot of other stuff going on right now. So it's been really hard to, film while I'm working or have somebody else film while I'm working on the car. But I just, as you've seen in the last video, is in a front end accident and we're rebuilding it off of that. So I'll go ahead and give you a walk around of some of the stuff we've done so far and that needs to be done and stuff that's on the way, stuff like that. So without further ado, I'll flip the camera around and show you the car. So there's the ZR1 as you remember it. Sorry, the garage is absolutely atrocious right now. Got the wheel back on and stuff like that. So need to order an alternator, have a Kong 5-inch intake on the way, carbon fiber. New bumper cover. I already have it. It's at the body shop currently because it's missing a bunch from over here. Just picked this up today, the new inner wheelhouse. That's going to solve a lot of our issues. And you've got the new suspension on, new subframe, new shock, new rotor. The caliper we had, it was good, just a few scrapes, stuff like that, nothing major. Trying to think what else we've got here. Don't have a side skirt on the way yet, or a rocker panel, whatever you want to call it. Have a brand new fender at the body shop getting painted with the bumper, so at least those two will match really well. Trying to think what else we've got on the way. Got some smaller stuff like Taylor ignition wires and stuff like that. As you've seen on the black Corvette and the Z06, we had Morimoto headlights. These are the same exact headlights, literally the set from those cars. We just swapped them over and put stock lighting back in those cars. So yeah, I've got that in here, and then I've got actually the car has LED side markers all the way around. It has LED tail lights, LED reverse lights, LED fog lights. Super nice. It has a MGW short throw shifter. Yeah, it's got the ZR1 carbon fiber-ish looking sort of center console, carbon fiber roof and halo. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for an update. I'm working on, hopefully tomorrow I'll get some glue so I can go ahead and get this officially set in here. And then after that we'll be really cooking, and I'll be out of town for about a week, so it'll be a little bit of a different story, just waiting on a paint guy. And then as soon as I get back from being out of town, I'll be able to go ahead and pick the front bumper fender up. Hopefully the wheel should be here entire. Had to have... so these are these are MRR FS01s. They're 19s all the way around, 19 by 10 in the front. I can't remember how... I want to say 19 by 12 or 19 by 13 in the rear. Had to have contact MRR and have them build one because they're built to order. So, but yeah, that's just a quick walk around of the ZR1 here and what we have done to it so far and what's coming up. Like I said, the fender and front bumper are in the body shop. They're getting repainted currently. Well, the fender is on its way, brand new OEM from GM. I bought a secondhand front bumper, and that'll be coming along too. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going on with the ZR1. It's getting very, very, very close. It wasn't very far off to begin with. It didn't need that much, but yep. And then it's just been kind of a saga with trying to get this one guy that had a whole front clip that was the exact same color, was going to buy the whole front clip from him, and Then I decided his front bumper was even worse than this one, really, and wasn't worth fixing. And he didn't want to really separate parts, and I tried to get him to talk him into separating parts, and then he didn't want to. So then we were waiting on him, waiting on him, waiting on him. And then I just said the heck with it and ordered a brand new fender and got the the inner fender from another guy actually that was interested in buying the car before I bought it. And then yeah, saw front bumper cover on Marketplace for a really good deal. It's almost perfect, so had to hop on that. Just went ahead and started buying stuff, and tired of waiting for other people, so I wanted to get it done. So that's just kind of the story for today, and we'll try to keep you updated as we get it running and driving. And yeah, that's all I can think of, guys. So thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for the next videos. And never know what'll happen because we're always getting new projects and always working on new things. So thanks for watching, guys.